Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up everyone? I got little bit problem with the starting with the live stream, but I'm now here. Enjoy the sunset first. No, unfortunately I didn't have opportunity to see that. On the Instagram you can see guys some shots from the funeral of Warren. I will put it later in the comments below the Instagram name. I think somebody comment on the my Sanur video, you can check it guys later on. Mrs. Monkey unfortunately is not with me. Yeah, it's beautiful sunset. So after sunset is finished, I will walk around and I will show you how it looks situation in Kuta, Legian. We'll see. My drone is still untouched, still in the original ceiling, just waiting on the shelf at home. I have to make it maybe tomorrow or Monday. No ideas for business currently. In these sad times, it's quite difficult with everything. Oh, I'm at the front of the Legian beach on the parking area. As you can see over here, I think there is the Padma Hotel. Yeah, the few bars are open but empty. I mean, as you can see, I will go to the beach little bit so you could see a little bit more how it looks situation over here. I hope so I'm not gonna lose the signal. That's why so as you can see, the bars are open. Some bars are open here, but almost no people, I have to say. Saturday night. It's very quiet. Bali is coming tomorrow into lockdown. So actually not really like a lockdown, as nobody, you cannot go anywhere, but everything, bars, restaurants, McDonald's, everything will be closed at 7 p.m. and some bars, restaurants will be closed temporarily all day long. Check this out, the sunset is really amazing. Some people in the bar over there, they asking me to drink arak with them, so I will go there soon. But I'm not drinking arak anyway. So sunset, this will be in just a few minutes. Here is the peanut seller, arak people. Oh, have a look into the... Oh, thank you. This is live stream, you know. You are live. But I'm not drinking arak, but thank you so much. Really appreciate. Not alcohol? Coconut water, yeah?
No, just ganja.
What?
Ganja.
Ganja? Okay, cheers.
Just blow.
Bali is safe, yeah? Beautiful sunset today.
Yeah, it's good.
Thank you, bro. It's actually a little bit rubbish here. Unfortunately, quite sad view, but sunset is amazing. As you know me, guys, I just drink Radler. I'm afraid about the Arak. I mean, I'm not drinking strong alcohol anyway. Have to forgive me. Hello everyone, please stay tuned. This live stream gonna be quite long. I will try to make as long as possible today. Hope so you will enjoy it. Just waiting for the sunset. Guys, let me know if you would like to go me to go to Seminyak area first, or just straightforward go to Padma and Legian Street. Let me know, please comment. I have time tonight, so I can do both. But the previous plan is to go to Padma, Legian Street, and then go to Kuta, Kuta Square, Kuta Beach, and come back to Legian. But comment, let me know what would you like to see. Okay guys, sunset is almost over. I will go to Padma now. That's the warung. This is the main entrance to the beach, actually. We'll go to Padma. We'll see how is it. Legian Street, Kuta. Maybe some Bintang time later on. We will see. This is the last look to the sunset. I need to take a power bank from the car also, because forgot. Thank you guys for watching my vlogs, our vlogs, live stream, everything. I will come back here. I just need quickly go to the car, take the power bank. The Hyatt is open in Sanur. Maybe one day I can have a dinner with Winnie there. They have a really lovely pizza there actually. I just quickly gonna take a power bank and I'm gonna go to Legian. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna go to Padma now. Just tidy up my power bank. Connect to the phone. We don't wanna lose power, right? some people having also arak here. Still some food. No, I locked the car. I'm sure with that. But thank you, thank you, thank you. I double checked. I can see still, yeah, it's locked. Okay, I will go now into Padma area, but let's check this out, this street food first. Alright, going now to Legian, Padma. This is the Coca-Cola tractor for cleaning the beaches. Usually they clean, but now it's... Yo, what's up, doggo? So, heading into Padma Hotel and Mandira. I think it's Mandira, right? Let's see. So quiet on the street, actually, by the way. Have to agree with me. Azul at the end. I will pass Azul Beach Club at the end. When I'm going come back, I wanna make a round trip, you know, guys, like Padma, Legian, Kuta, and then I have to come back to Padma anyway because I left my car here and it's locked. I double check. Thank you so much. Afternoon walking exercise, yeah. Luckiest is already after sunset, so it's not as super hot like before. Say hello to Salon Lotus if I'm gonna pass it. Sure thing. This hotel and Mandira is open finally, by the way. Yeah, it's open, but few cars on the parking area. And I was passing the way over here, the restaurant over there is open. Finally, first time. But still very quiet, by the way. Here is close. Padma Legian Hotel. Yeah, breath literally is hot. Still hot, by the way. Okay, this bar restaurant is open, what I told you. Fat Bowl also open, however empty, totally empty, not even single customer there. Here, well, this restaurant is open, but also only I see some people on the one table, like a very nice place, by the way. This restaurant. Makan place. Have to be careful how I walk, by the way. Let me know, guys, also in the comments, please, if the quality is okay, because you know how is it with the internet in Bali. But I hope so it's okay. I hope so it's not lagging much. Garlic line. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to garlic line. Would you like to see garlic line? I make a vlog on driving through poppies and garlic a few days ago, guys. No, that's Legian, man. Honestly, guys, I have to say the walking here on the street right now, so quiet. It's quite strange feeling, you know. I can hear echo while I'm talking here, and even I'm talking very quiet. Yes, here we go, guys. But I don't know what should I say, you know. I try to talking all the time to entertain you, but it's very quiet. Everything is closed. So that's how it looks over here. Oh, somebody with Alphard here. People from Jakarta. Here we go. So still actually this car is, and this is all people from different islands of Indonesia. So actually you can see actually still people coming for holidays or visit Bali. I'm talking about local people, obviously, right? But on this street everything is closed. Transport, to be honest. I already miss people who calling that transport, honestly. Long time I didn't hear that. And I think if now really seriously I need transport, that will be a little bit struggle for me, because it's nobody here, no people on the bike who offer you ride, no taxi drivers, no taxis at all. I mean, yeah, if it will be big rain now, for sure no taxi. Circle K is open. Grab driver inside. Yo, what's up, Damian? Okay, I see some party somewhere over there. There's some music there. We will see what's going on. How's the crack, right? Husband Daycare Center. Oh, look at this one. Something is happening here. I will have a look. It's gonna be kind of street food something. but it's still very quiet over here. Okay, people coming back from the sunset in Kuta beach, as you can see right here, so many cars. It's actually now, because it's actually over after the sunset, so yeah, people going home, as you can see. So it's getting busy, but that's, well, it's still not so bad actually. So this is the Lebak Bene lane and Megani Hotel. So that's how it looks like. In Bali it's 7 p.m. right now, by the way, guys, if you are thinking what time is it. So it's 7 or yeah, it's exactly 7 o'clock right now. Yeah, don't worry, Vanessa, I know last live stream I get lost a little bit, but now I'm more familiar with this area. Coco Mart is closed, people still going. By the way, the all Coco shops probably gonna be closed. I mean, the company gonna bankrupt, unfortunately. Oh, I need to pass the road, cross the road, I mean. Yo, what's up? Oh, no, thank you. Maybe later, yeah. Okay, that was the first person offering me the transport. Not so bad, actually, not so bad. So I need to cross the road, but it can be a little bit fun. Lemongrass. Here is something new, like a pasar. I mean, yeah, that's the actually pasar. There's supposed to be a stalls, warungs here, selling merchandises and stuff. It's brand new, but it's empty. It's actually closed. All the Masha shops here, tattoo shops. As you can see, it's bit close. Nice bike. You want massage? No, hell no, I don't want massage. Yo, what's up? Hello. See, people are still very friendly. Everybody wants to be on the live stream. But this is Bali, right? Alright, I need to pass the road. Mission complete. This hotel, I don't know what's the name, but the one night is only 175k. Yo, what's up? Hello. Riva V. Only 175,000 rupiah, which is 10 euro, 12 Americans. Commonwealth, but the Commonwealth you mean on the Sunset Road? Or here is no Commonwealth, I think. But on the Sunset Road, Commonwealth is open. I just passed when I was coming to the area. There is the Mercure. However, Mercure seems quiet. Okay, I'm on the corner of Melasti over here. That was the street what I used to walk. Legian there and Seminyak. Mercure over there. Grandma's Hotel is here. Bella Italia. And this is the Legian Street. I'm gonna go to Legian Street. Legian Street, as you can see, Legian. how often do I do live stream? Not too often, but the vlogs are every single day at 4 p.m. Bali time, so the proper video is every single day. The live stream is casually, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I will try to make a live stream more often in the future. Yeah, here is the play bar. Yeah, it's called play bar, I think. Yeah, but it's closed, totally closed. It's so darkness here. So, okay, I'm on the Legian street right now, but what should I say, guys? As you can see, how is it? Literally, not much is happening here. Okay, this is the first shop that is open. This Swiss, I think it's Swiss restaurant, is open over here. This restaurant is actually quite busy every time I'm passing this. So quickly, my plan today is to go to pass all day long, I mean till the end of the Legian Street, passing the clubs, the bars there, the Bounty Discotheque, LXXXI, Sky Garden and stuff like this. Go to the Kuta, pass around Kuta Square, pass around Kuta Beach walk, and come back to Azul Beach Club, Legian Padma. So that's the plan, and also I wanna have a bintang time, Radler somewhere. So for sure will be some bintang. So that's how it looks. In this area actually where I'm working right now, this area and in general this area, yeah, Legian Street, Melasti, is so many massage shops and also lady boys, many stuff over here. But I think not today, even it's Saturday night actually. This looks like, I don't know, it's not even to compare to any other day, it's just literally very quiet. I mean, it's not like a lockdown and it's completely nothing is happening, but not much is happening, as you can see, right? Vienna is open if somebody are interested. Yeah, that's gonna be a big wall. Yo, what's up? Alright, these people want something from me. Let's see what they want. Yo, what's up? What's that?
Yes, nice for my power.
Cigarette?
Yeah, cigarette.
Cigarette. You see, guys, that's the cigarette. But
Yeah, cigarette.
read carefully here. What's the kind of cigarette? No, just put like this. As you can see.
Yeah, for my strong cigarette.
Yeah, very strong cigarette. Yeah.
Yeah, for my strong cigarette.
Yeah, but I don't need. I'm fine, you know.
Ah, come on, bro.
I'm still strong enough, you know.
Shopping.
No, this is the live stream. I show to the people from around the world. Yeah. It's already night. No need sunglasses.
Yeah, maybe for tomorrow. Wait, tomorrow, not today.
Maybe tomorrow. Yeah.
Tomorrow, I think you're not coming.
I come here every week, lah. Alright, take care, guys. Alright, so as you can see, a lot of fun, like always. Strong cigarettes, that's still better. I don't know. But it's a lot of fun. That's actually, this guy is so funny, and that's what people expecting from Bali, right? especially from the Legian area. If you are here, Legian, Kuta, this is what you're looking just for fun, you know. We'll see if we're gonna find something more interesting today. Some shops are open actually, as you can see. Some restaurants, some bars, but not much. Definitely not much. Oh, I see some party over here. Some party over here. Yo, what's up? I think they was not really happy as I make a video of them. I think nobody follow me, right? You never know. Actually, when it's a lot of people, you feel very comfortable here. But if it's not people here, I feel a little bit okay. No, all is good. I see police lights behind me. Can you see? The police is coming. We'll see. Yo, what's up, guys? Whew, that's the big escort from the people from the island city called N on the registration plate. I'm not sure what city is this, but so that's how it looks, Legian Street. Yeah, I think it's gonna be Radler time soon. What do you think, guys? It's quite weird feeling. Nobody asking me for massage. No transport. Somebody asked me for mamas. This is, here we go. Many comments. I have no time to read all. But yeah, mamas is over here. Come on, guys, Radler is not only for girls. In the tropical country, it's very refreshing. Please no hate speech, okay? Alright, it's going to be actually quiet, more busier over here, as you can see. Some kids on the bikes. Radler time soon. This is Mamas one more time if somebody are interested. Alright, we have 75 people right now. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, Vanessa, I go to Jalan Ben Sari last time and I got lost when I go there. Fun. It's open, but nobody is here. But it's open. Oh my god, this one massage shop open, but I don't see any girls here. It's Claudia Spa. It's so hot, by the way, when you walk like this. You can imagine that it's really hot actually. Okay guys, I'm coming into the Legian. I'm gonna pass Legian. This is brand new bar. in Legian. I believe not many of you ever see this because they opened during the lockdown last time. I mean in July or something, so that's how it looked like. Hello. Oh, thank you. So this is brand new, very huge bar. It's called Legian. I make a vlog inside one day with Winnie. If you're interested, comment, I will send you the link. Or you can find some vlog at Kuta 3 months ago maybe. Yeah, that was the club. Okay, I'm coming now into the club's area, by the way. As you can see, something is happening. Mini Mart is open. It's closed. By the way, guys, it's Saturday night, about 7. About 7:30. About 7:30. This is the Love Fashion. I think some lady boys already starting to calling me over there. Hello. Good. Very good. Yeah, very good, right? So as you can see, some bars are open. This is the one Legian. If maybe somebody of you are familiar with the area, so that's how it looks. Warung Mina is closed, Starbucks is open, Sky Pool, the one Legian. The one Legian is open, but everything around is closed. So that's how it looks over here.
Yes, ladies.
Ladies?
Yeah. Corona.
Corona. Yo, what's up? The guy asked me for ladies, but when I start recording, he got shy. Yeah, it's exactly the same time in Bali like in the Perth, Australia. Thank you so much for everyone who appreciate my vlogs. Oh, thank you, boss. Mushroom? No, thank you. So if somebody interested about something, you still I think can get, but it's quiet. Definitely it's quiet. It's still bright and perfuming. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Here is already very dark, it's night time. So that's how it looks. Here is like a quiet zone. Just apotek, apt, pharmacy is open, that's it. In this area, whatever is it. Yo, what's up? Every Saturday live streaming. The girl was wanted to be on the video, but she gets shy, I don't know. Every Saturday live stream, I'm not sure about that. We'll see. Maybe, hopefully. It's quite difficult to find some live music nowadays in Bali because mostly it's just not many people in the restaurants. I've been few times in the Hard Rock in Kuta on the central stage, but even there it's very quiet. So the companies, restaurants, bars, they don't make it now. Starting since tomorrow, everything is locked down for 2 weeks. So I think I cannot make a vlog in the next 2 weeks. I mean the live stream. The vlogs will be every day, nothing has changed with that, I can promise you guys, but the Bintang here bar is closed. But live stream, maybe after the next 2 weeks. Anyway, the lockdown is only in Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Canggu, Sanur, but in Ubud and other areas, everything is back as usual. Yeah, it's quite very long walk back later to the car. I think now it's time for Radler time. Bintang time. Oh, some food over here. No, thank you. Alright, here we go. We have first taxi asking me. This night, live stream is already 50 minutes. It's more busier than here in Brisbane. Seriously. Empire over here closed. I'm so sorry, but the Contractan over here. Some people selling food. The Indomaret next to the Sky Garden area monument, it's closed. Yo, what's up? No, thank you. Alright, now in the center of Legian, this is the main point. Everybody who used to be in Bali, you recognize this place for sure, right? Like usual, some people making selfies, pictures around, VIP over here. Maybe this is the good place to having the Radler time. What do you think, guys? Yeah, the VIP is open over here and I'm planning to have a Radler time. Let me know, would you like to see the Radler time in this VIP or different place? Say yes, no, please. Alright guys, I think I will go to VIP for Radler time. I hope so they have a Radler. If not, that's gonna be Coca-Cola time. But they have a big sign of the Radler. Alright, let's go to VIP. I think it's nobody there, by the way. I'm the only one customer potentially. Yes, do you have Radler? Do you have Radler?
Radler, yeah.
Yes, okay. I'm in, yeah? This is the live stream. You wanna say something to the people from around the world? Yeah, let's go. The VIP, by the way. Yeah, thank you. Temperature check. That's my bracelet. Alright. Can I have some of here? Thank you. So I will sit somewhere with the view of the monument. So I have a view. How is it over here? How is the situation? Radler time, Radler time. Yes. Can I have? Actually, I have no time for dinner, unfortunately. Even I wish so. To have a tasty pizza, but can I have a Radler? Yeah.
Radler?
Yes.
Sorry, we just have a normal bintang.
Oh, normal bintang only. You said Radler is okay here. Really? Really? So the Radler is sold out. Can you imagine that, guys? Oh my god. Yeah, the social distancing over here is for sure very well. Not many people. I don't know why is the lockdown coming. Just probably because you know what. However, in this current situation, as you can see, it's not many people here, so I don't know. Just imagine how much money are they losing. Okay, I have my Coke, unfortunately. I'm so sorry, guys. However, for sure I will have a Radler later because I still have more than halfway to go back to the car, so it's very far. Alright, fresh Coke and Baxo guy. Some people are here walking by, pass by actually, as you can see. It's okay, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so sorry, guys. I got lost connection. I don't know what's happened, but I'm come back. Thank you. Alright, I'm come back. Let's have a wait for the some people. Maybe they're gonna come back in the next few minutes. I'm back, guys. Oh my god, because lost connection, I lose half of the people, but I hope so you will come back, guys. Okay guys, let's see if 60 people can join to the live stream, because when I was paying, something happened with my internet and I lose people. But this is the monument, by the way. People making selfies, as you can see. Alright guys, I'm come back. I'm so sorry for the internet disconnection. I don't know what's happened. Internet was disconnected, but I'm come back. Okay guys, I will continue the today's live stream. Let's see how is the more over there. Let's see. What's happening?
How you doing, mate?
Yo, what's up? It's a live stream. You wanna be on the live? Many people
Where are you from?
watching. Me?
Yeah?
But people, mostly you Australian.
Glasgow. Scotland.
Glasgow, oh nice.
Glasgow, Scotland.
Scotland. Well, it's nice accent for Scottish guy, by the way.
Yeah, perfect. Where are you from? Russia?
No, I'm from Poland in Europe, but I used to live in UK, so I used to speak with Scottish people, and Scottish accent is very strong, but yours is nice.
Yeah, no
All right,
problem.
take care, mate.
See you later. Bye.
All right, so I had a spoke. This is the Sky Garden. Used to be a Sky Garden long time ago. Last time I got a big problem to recording Sky Garden, so I have to go away. Engine room. It still looks better than Brisbane. J4 Hotel, 185. I don't know. Is the price for night or what is it? Mini marts. All mini marts in Bali, if somebody are curious, are closed down, shut down on the since April, and they will never come back. The Sky Garden used to be over here, but it's permanently closed, unfortunately. But I'm sorry, I will not talk why it's closed on this stream, because yeah, I'm just not gonna talk about that. Anyway, it's closed. Okay, let's go to let's see how is the things in Bounty discotheque. Thank you guys, I hope so you can enjoy Saturday night in Bali, in Legian, Kuta with me. At least virtually. That's... Whoa, 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 what's up, man? Chill, bro. Chill, alright? God damn it. Relax. Okay, okay, I go, okay. Relax. Alright, Vanti discotheque over here if somebody are interested. But I think it's totally dead over here. I will stop for a while so you can have a look. I will have a call with Winnie, maybe. We will see. I have a second phone so you can see her. Unfortunately, some technical problems, but hold on, guys. I have a call with Winnie. We will see. Hi, Sayang. Look at where I am. So everyone, many people ask, where is Winnie? Where is Winnie? Winnie is here watching with me. It's okay, honey. It's okay. Check this out, honey. Huh? Yeah, I'm recording everything on the live stream. Yeah, I'm not sure, but many people say hello Winnie, hi Winnie, hi Winnie. So maybe, honey, Saya, you come back to watching my live stream, yeah? Oh, okay. I love you, Saya. Bye, Saya. So that's how it looks. Thank you for saying hi to Winnie. Unfortunately, she's not with me. She had to go home in Tabanan today due to some kind of ceremony. I'm so sorry about that, but we always try to make a video call. As you can see, the bounty is totally empty. It's nobody there inside. I'm not gonna say it's quiet, but I'm so sorry, but it's really quiet. And Paddy's over here, and it's literally zero customers. Nobody. As you can see, not much is happening in this area, unfortunately. Always happy hours. Okay, because it's really not much is happening over here, I will go more forward. We will see how's the things. Yo, what's up? Already people from around the world watching this stream. Okay,
Inside.
no, but I don't want to buy anything.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, just to show, yeah? Okay, no problem. So the guy asked me to show his shop around. As you can see, many stuff, t-shirts, stuff, bags. I love Bali, glasses, Paddy's.
This is my shop.
Yes, just next to Paddy's.
John. My name is John.
John, yeah. Okay, thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Take care, yeah?
Cigarette?
No,
No smoking?
no smoking. Sorry, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, take care.
Thank you.
Alright, so that's how it looks. Sometimes you have to go inside to the shop, show around. This is Harper by Aston. The hotel is open, I think. And this is the one of the very famous new clubs. It's called LXXY. It's open, but I don't see the long queue over here. No music also. Not much is happening. I'm going now into Kuta direction, guys. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention. I'm going there. This is the end of the Legian street, and there I gonna go to Kuta Square, guys. Yo, what's up? Snow country in Poland. That's my country, man. Check this out, check this out. They are girls alert. Boeing 737 just crashed in Jakarta? Seriously? Like, John, can you say something more about that? Oh, thank you, boss. Thank you. No, no, thank you. No, thank you. I didn't know so many people in Poland where I'm coming from. They watching me. Thank you so much. Dziękuję wszystkim za oglądanie z Polski. Sriwijaya. That's big tragic. Always whenever plane crash is the big tragic. You're welcome, guys. However, this vlog, this live stream is not finished yet. It's just halfway because I'm heading now into Kuta direction on the middle of the Legian street, and I have to come back to the Padma area, so it's about 3 kilometers walk still. So if you're interested to see more about Bali at night, Saturday night in Bali, just stay tuned, guys. I used to fly last time. Whenever I go to Sorry guys, I got some lost connection. I'm come back. So I just continue to what I wanted to say last time. If you following me, subscribe my channel already. By the way, if you are new on the channel, if you can give me a gift, surprise me, just please subscribe. The button would be much appreciated. We do vlogs every single day from Bali and around. Anyway, last time when I was in Lombok 2 months ago, I used to fly by Lion Air, so that was my first time by Lion Air, and I always feel sorry to everyone who got a terrible accident by plane. Some small bar over here. Yeah, what's up? Thank you. No, maybe next time. Thank you. Kuta. This is some massage, but yeah. Yeah, no taxis. The only one, since I walk already 1.5 hours, was only one taxi. Literally only one taxi asked me for the ride. That's it. Yeah, so bad about the plane in Jakarta. But it's no bluebird at all today. I don't know what's going on. Okay guys, so this is the reggae bar over here. If you are familiar with the area, this is the end of the Jalan Legian. Legian Street is finished here, exactly where I'm standing now. And now I'm gonna heading into the... Oh, check this out, it's the horse car over here. Now I'm gonna go into Kuta Square direction, okay guys? The last one, look for the Legian corner, Legian Kuta corner, and this is the Don Juan reggae bar. Okay, Kuta time. Thank you.
Hey,
That's the live stream, live.
oh, hey, where you from?
I'm from Poland. Alright, take care, yeah? So that's how it looked like, some restaurant. Hello! Thank you! Thank you! quiet. That's how it looks. So quiet over here, as you can see. So sad about this plane of Lion Air. Not the best beginning of the year 2021, right? Check this out. This is the small warung. Nobody's here. Jeez, can you hear the silence over here, guys? Check this out. I'm not gonna say any single word. So quiet. Damn. Pizza time. I should have a dinner actually. Winnie already texting me on the second phone, stop to eat something. Circle K. Is in Brisbane is really as bad? Oh, this is some kids play zone. I think it's new. Have you guys, let's say 1 year ago, who been 1 year ago, at this time 1 year ago everything was still as usual. Could you imagine this next year, next few months later, next year will be so quiet over here? That's unbelievable, right? If somebody will say, Damian, I will take a bet for 1 grand, as next year will be no traffic in Kuta, I will say, you're fucking joking, right? But yeah, now that's the reality, right? Yes, Ali, thank you for reminding me. I think if I will have a skateboard right now, I will be less tired than I'm now. Maybe next time. This actually footpath over here is nice, good for skating. But the road here is not so. Vato, Keeper. So quiet over here. I don't know what should I say. Not much is happening. Oh, that's nice ice cream shop. For rent, if somebody interesting to have a business. A lot of buildings for rent, by the way, it's very easy. nowadays if you're interested. Alright, this is the Kuta Square, guys. Alright, guys, please comment. Let me know in the comment section. Would you like me to go there around the Kuta Square, or just go to the beach walk area? Comment, please. Kuta Square, yes or no? Yes, this is the KFC, still open, and even the people are inside. Please let me know, guys, Kuta Square, yes, no? Alright, guys, most of you said as Kuta Square, no, beach walk area. Okay, I will go to beach walk. By the way, I make last week the vlog over there with Winnie. If you are interested, just please go check this out. This is the vlog about the Kuta Square and the other side of the Kuta Discovery, Kuta Square. Okay, now I'm heading into beach walk area and Hard Rocks. Oh my god, I'm tired actually a little bit, and even more tired when you have to wear this one on your face all the time. So what I can say, guys, is Jimmy Oliver. Hard Rock. Here is some sort of tourist food court, something like that. The live music is even over there, by the way. I will stop for a while. I need to take a rest. Osmo, DJI Osmo is good for the live streaming, yeah, but my specialization is daily vlogs, not really live streams. Maybe if I decide to do live streams, I will investment. Thank you. No, not today, okay, thank you. Thank you. The guy wants to offer me some girls. He don't know, is Winnie watching me right now? No, just kidding. Grand Ina Kuta is open. Now this is the Kuta beach gate over here, but it's 8 o'clock right now. It's 8 o'clock in Bali, Saturday night, and yeah, what should I say? Oh, that's so good here. It's a very like a windy breeze, ocean breeze over here. So good actually. I have a rest here for 30 seconds, okay? So quiet. Yeah, drone unboxing. I will make it maybe tomorrow after tomorrow. I think so. No, I'm fine, thank you. Rest on the beach, but it's 8 o'clock and nobody is here. I don't know, it's a good idea. Okay, I'm going into beach walk direction right now, and first is Hard Rock. I'm going to the beach walk area now and passing Hard Rock, Hard Rock. This is Hard Rock shop. I'm not gonna go inside, but that's how it looked like.
Bali!
Bali!
Lucky to be here. Lucky.
Lucky, lucky. Where are you from, my friend?
California!
California! This is the live stream. This is the live.
Bali!
Bali is safe, yeah?
Oh, you're not like a monkey. You're not the monkey.
Monkey.
No, they have monkey video.
You, me, monkey video?
They have a guy like you and a girl, Indonesian woman called the monkey.
Uh-huh.
They all tour from Indonesia all over.
Really?
Come to Bali, yeah, you can act.
What's the name? You remember?
Monkey, it's called Bali monkey.
Oh,
They
right.
have videos. They go everywhere. Like today, they do one here. He said, oh, if you go to here, you
You're talking about Mr. and Mrs. Monkey, no?
yeah.
That's me.
Oh, fuck you.
No, that's me. If you're talking...
Oh, Bali monkey. Discount. You go to Waterban today, no bullshit.
No bullshit. All right. Good luck, my friend.
Where'd you go?
I have to go to Padma.
Huh?
I have to go back to Padma.
To see.
You have to follow me there. I don't know what's going on over here, but awkward situation. I don't know. I think he's after few beam tanks. Not sure. Yeah, that's the Kuta baby, right? This is the police. Hard Rock. This is the Hard Rock Hotel, by the way. When I was here actually last time, that was before Christmas, was so busy as we didn't have a space to park the car inside. And was so many Harley Davidsons, generally a lot of people, but right now I sense it's deadly quiet. And today's live music at 9 o'clock, by the way, over there. So in next 1 hour, but I don't think so it's gonna be much people. No, thank you. You can have 4 small pizzas, personal pizzas in Pizza Hut for 100k. Mercure, Kuta Beach, Bali. Oh, they opened the Starbucks finally over here. Easy Riders, I think that's the electric bikes. It's the song, you know, guys. Strange things may happen, and even stranger gonna be, right? Yeah, the Starbucks over there, it's supposed to be as long open as they used to open. It's at the same time when McDonald's, which is about 20 years ago. However, McDonald's is already gone. Starbucks still exists. At least still, but was closed for almost 1 year. They just opened, I think, before Christmas. So yeah, take care, guys. If you have to sleep, sleep. But I have to still continue the live stream for another half hour, I think. And this is the McDonald's.
Hi.
No, thank you, boss. So this one supposed to be McDonald's over here. As you can see, not much left from the McDonald's. Yeah, it's time to go home, but I have to pick up the car first, and it's still quite far. Not many taxi, actually, as they could drop me. Anyway, I believe the taxi from here to the Padma, which is 2 kilometers, will cost me 100k. Yes, sure, guys. And McDonald's, it's closed. That means it's something not good, right? Because what by what, but the McDonald's is one of the top companies in the world. The Flapjacks is closed. Where is Flapjacks? Actually, I passed it already. I think it's closed.
Hello, cold drink?
Oh, thank you. Sheraton and beach walk. Here we go. Alright guys, beach walk is already closed. Alright guys, beach walk is already closed. This is the place where is the pickup drop off of Grab. I'm so tired actually. I will finish this live stream over here because anyway not much is happening, as you can see. I will order Grab and I will go to Padma by Grab. I already out. The beach walk is closed. So I think that's it for me today. I will order just Grab and take my car and go home. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed. I show you a little bit how it's look, current situation, live Saturday night in Kuta, beach walk, Legian, Padma, Legian Street. It's already after 8, everything is closed here. As you can see, that's it for today's live stream. I hope so you enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you wish so, please do it now. If not, it's okay. But it will be nice if you subscribe. See you tomorrow at 4 p.m. Bali time, like always, guys. Tomorrow, new vlog. And watch today's vlog, what I uploaded 4 hours ago. Maybe you are interested. Alright guys, I will finish this live stream in 1 minute from now. Enjoy the rest of the view of the road. I will order the Grab. Thank you so much guys. Good night guys. Almost everywhere is already in late night or late afternoon, except American people. But anyway, I'm not sure if it's American people watching. As you can see, when the street is already empty over here, not much is happening. The beach at night, nothing is there. Okay guys, see ya, take care, see you tomorrow.